Imagine waking up every morning and seeing money already in your account. No clocking in, no boss, no burnout. Just passive income flowing in, day and night, thanks to artificial intelligence. This isn't some far-off dream. Right now, people around the world are using AI to build systems that earn them money while they sleep. It's not about luck or being a tech genius. It's about using the tools available to everyone and putting them together the right way. In this video, we're breaking down the real, practical ways to create AI-powered passive income without hype, without scams, and without chasing get-rich-quick fantasies. These are strategies that regular people are using right now to create consistent, automated streams of income. Let's get into it. Number 1, what is AI passive income? First, let's clear something up. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It doesn't mean sipping cocktails on the beach while cash rains down from the sky. That's the fantasy. The reality is smarter and better. Passive income means doing the work once, up front, and building a system that continues to generate money over time with minimal upkeep. That system could be a digital product, a YouTube channel, an automated store, or even a smart AI chatbot. Once it's running, it works for you, day and night. Now, bring artificial intelligence into the mix. AI tools can do the heavy lifting. They can help you write, design, research, market, code, and automate like never before. Tasks that used to take hours can now be done in minutes, with no team and no overhead. Whether you're creating content, managing a business, or automating a side hustle, AI gives you the power to scale faster and smarter. And when you combine that power with a good income model, you get passive income, driven by automation. So how do you actually build one of these systems? Number 2, AI-powered digital products. Let's start with one of the most reliable sources of passive income, digital products. We're talking about things like ebooks, online courses, Notion templates, Canva designs, printables, and digital toolkits. These products can be created once, listed online, and sold an unlimited number of times with zero inventory and zero shipping. Now, here's where AI changes the game. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to write the entire content for an ebook or course. Want a stunning design? Midjourney, or DALLE, can generate book covers, social graphics, or visuals for your course. Need a professional voiceover? 11 Labs lets you turn your text into realistic audio in just minutes. Want to design planner pages or templates? Tools like Canva now come with AI features that can automate layout and content generation. Once your product is ready, upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Podia, or Teachable. Add a payment link, set up a basic sales page, and that's it. People can discover your product and buy it without any additional effort on your part. With the right product and a little bit of promotion, you can build a reliable income stream that pays you passively, week after week. Number 3, YouTube automation with AI. Next up is one of the most exciting and scalable income models today, YouTube automation. And no, you don't need to show your face or even speak a word yourself. Thanks to AI, everything from script writing to video editing to voiceover can be done automatically. Here's how it works. Start by picking a niche, something evergreen like personal finance, health tips, productivity hacks, or interesting facts. Use ChatGPT to generate detailed, engaging scripts. Tools like Pictory or InVideo can turn that script into a video by pulling relevant stock clips and adding animations. Then use 11 Labs to add professional, human-like voiceovers that bring your video to life. Upload the finished videos to YouTube, optimize your titles and thumbnails, and enable monetization. With consistent uploads and SEO-friendly content, you can start attracting views and building subscribers. Once your channel gains traction, you'll earn money from YouTube ads, affiliate links in your descriptions, and even sponsorship deals. And the best part? The videos keep earning long after you've created them. YouTube automation is a long-term game, but the rewards can be massive and passive. Number 4, affiliate marketing with AI help. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest and most effective ways to earn money online, and AI just made it a whole lot easier. In simple terms, Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. To make this passive, you need content that ranks on search engines and keeps bringing in visitors. That's where AI comes in. Use ChatGPT to write high-quality blog posts, product reviews, or niche articles that include your affiliate links. Use Jasper or Copy.ai to generate ad copy or email sequences. Use tools like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to optimize your content so it ranks on Google. Once your article or video is out there and ranking, it can keep generating traffic and commissions for months or even years. Choose affiliate products that solve real problems and offer recurring commissions. So, you keep earning long after the first sale. Number 5. AI-generated print-on-demand stores. If you like the idea of selling physical products without holding any inventory, print-on-demand might be the perfect fit. Here's how it works. You create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, hoodies, or tote bags. When someone orders, a third-party company prints and ships it for you. You just collect the profit. The only real work is coming up with the designs. And with AI, that's now easier than ever. Use Midjourney or DALLE to generate original artwork or slogans. Use ChatGPT to come up with catchy product descriptions and SEO-optimized titles. Upload your items to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Shopify connected to Printful. Once your storefront is up, you can promote your products through social media or SEO. But even without much promotion, platforms like Etsy or Redbubble have built-in traffic that can bring in sales passively. Set it and forget it. That's the power of AI-driven print-on-demand. Number 6. AI bots and automation tools. Now, let's talk about next-level passive income. AI bots and automation tools. Businesses everywhere are looking to save time, reduce costs, and improve customer experiences. That's where AI bots come in. Using platforms like Make.com, Zapier, or BotPress, you can build automation flows and chatbots that handle everything from answering customer questions to booking appointments or collecting leads. You don't need to be a developer. Many of these platforms are no-code or low-code. With the help of ChatGPT, you can even generate the scripts and logic needed to power the bot's responses. Once you've built a useful bot or automation tool, you can license it to small businesses for a monthly fee, or sell access to it through a subscription model. Imagine building a chatbot once and getting paid every single month by 10 or even 100 clients. You build it once, they pay you forever. Number 7. Things to keep in mind. AI is powerful. There's no denying that. But it's not a magic wand. These systems still require a plan. You need to put in the initial work to set them up. You'll need to experiment, improve, and adjust. But once everything is running smoothly, the passive income is very real and very scalable. Don't try to build 5 income streams at once. That's where most people go wrong. Pick one model, focus, master it, then move on to the next. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be consistent, willing to learn, and open to using AI tools to do the heavy lifting. The people who win in this new digital economy aren't the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who take action. This is the future of work. It's remote, it's automated, and it's already happening. And the best part? You're early. So, if you're ready to stop trading your time for money and start building systems that earn for you around the clock, AI might just be your golden ticket. If this video sparked some ideas, hit the like button. And if you want step-by-step guides on building these AI-powered income streams, make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning.